Chapter 5. In this chapter we will learn about introduction of Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office. Before the computer availability, people used typewriter to produce, write, documents. But, now using Microsoft Office, which is a powerful application software package that can assist us almost in any business or home project. Microsoft Office programs are not only great tools of their own, but they also work very well together. We can create a chart in Excel, and then copy it into a letter we are writing in Word. Office versions. Microsoft Office has several versions, releases. Each version has a different combination of programs. Microsoft Word. It is a word processing program that enables us to write, edit, format, save and print documents. Microsoft Excel. A spreadsheet program manipulates and presents data in almost any way we choose. Excel is a replacement for accountant's column pad, pencil and calculator. Microsoft Outlook. It is an email and contact management program with which we can manage appointments, addresses, emails and notes. Internet Explorer. It is a web, internet, browser with which we can explore the World Wide Web, internet. Some other programs that we may have, depending on the version, are Microsoft PowerPoint. It is a presentation program with which we can create and give on-screen presentations for business. Microsoft Access. It is a database program in which we can store addresses, inventory records, or other lists. Microsoft Publisher. It is a desktop publishing program which we may use to create newsletters, business cards, flyers, and other publications with text and graphics. In addition, Microsoft Office may include bonus programs. Microsoft Photo Draw. It is a graphic program that creates and enhances drawings and photographs. Microsoft Front Page. It is a website creation program with which we may create our own web pages with a click of mouse button. Starting a program. Starting a program or application is the first necessary step towards getting anything done, and it is very simple. Number 1. Click the pointer on the Start button on the Windows taskbar. Number 2. The Start menu will appear. Number 3. Click on Program. The Program menu will appear. Number 4. Click on the Office program name that we want to start. The welcome screen for the program will appear briefly before the main program windows open. Identifying common screen elements. All Microsoft Office programs contain common screen elements. We will learn more about the following elements as we work in individual programs in Microsoft Office. Number 1. Windows control buttons. Number 2. A title bar. Number 3. A menu bar. Number 4. At least one, possibly more, toolbar. Number 5. The insertion point. The insertion point always does not appear at a fixed location. It appears in different locations in the various Office programs. On our screen, it flashes. The insertion point represents the location at which text will appear when we start typing. As we progress, the insertion point goes or moves to the right. Number 6. The working area, also called the document area. Number 7. A vertical scroll bar. Number 8. A horizontal scroll bar. Number 9. A status bar. When we start Office program for the first time, the Office Assistant will appear. It is there to help us to solve our problems. Existing a program. When we have finished our work in a program, we should follow the proper steps for exiting the program to ensure that we do not damage files. This is how we should do it. Number 1. Click on the Close button. The program will close. Number 2. In some cases, we might notice a Close button below the application's Close button. This second Close button controls the document in which we are working. We can use the Document Close button to close the document without exiting from the program. If we do any work in a document, a dialog box will appear asking whether we want to save our work or not. Learning the basic shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts is not very hard to memorize. Windows applications share the same keyboard combinations to execute common commands. Learning the basic shortcuts. The following table shows us a few of the more common keyboard shortcuts that we may want to use when we work with documents, spreadsheets or other Office applications. Use Help. F1. Use the What's This button. Shift F1. Create a new document. Control F1. Open a different document. Control N. Switch between open document. Control O. Save a document. Control S. Print a document. Control P. Close a document. Control W. Cut selected text or objects. Control X. Make a copy of selected items. Control C. Paste the copied or cut items. Control V. Undo an action. Control Z. Redo an action. Control Y. Make the menu bar active. Control F10.